Hey guys, I'm here today to an update on my lip service project pan, which is the lip product project pan that I am doing for the year. My goal is to use up 18 lip products, but I'm really not doing so good. So I'll jump right in. So in this project, I have 10 items, and these 5 I haven't used at all since the last update. And these 5 I have. So I think I'm having difficulty because I have 10 products in this project right now that it's hard for me to focus on any of them to get them used up and still be able to use other lip products that I know I can't finish up but want to use. So that's kind of been my difficulty, but I'll go ahead and let you guys know how things are going. So what I've been doing is weighing my products, and I was gonna show you my little scale, but I don't know where I put it. So I'll just go ahead and tell you about my products and their progress and the weights. So first up is this Nice and Spicy lip pencil from MAC, and I've used up 0.06 grams of this product. So in addition to tracking weights, I have my line tracker here, and I've got it down just a little bit. So a little bit of progress. I definitely have used it a handful of times in the month, but not that many. Up next is my NARS pencil, which probably has some of the most use. I realized that I don't really like this formula that much, but I have been using it. So I used up 0.76 grams of this product. So the pencil is getting to be a little bit of a nubbin, and I've marked its usage on my paper. I'll go ahead and show you guys a little bit closer up at the end. Up next is a lip gloss from Lipstick Queen. It's called a liquid lipstick, but it's definitely a lip gloss in the shade Blush. I do really enjoy this, just have to remember to use it. So I don't have anything to mark for you, but I did use up 0.12 grams of the product, about the same as I've been using up. If I focus on that, I bet I would use it up a lot more. Then I have a little Tom Ford lipstick in Indian Rose, and this has 0.03 grams of usage, which isn't that much, but is 3 times what I used at the last update. And it's got a little tiny little mark of difference there. I do really like this product, but again, I have that issue of, I think, too many things in the project and not enough, too many other things I want to use as well. That sentence didn't make a whole lot of sense. Up next is my Bound and Cami ColourPop Lippy To Go. I really need to use this up. I didn't mark it because it has the 2 different sides, but I have used 0.04 grams of the product. It's close to being done, but both sides do still have product. So those 5 items are the only 5 that I actually used in this month. My other 5 items right now are a ColourPop Lippy To Go, a Makeup Forever lip pencil, a Fiona Styles satin lip crayon, a Bite Beauty matte creme lip crayon, and the ColourPop Lippy Stick in Aquarius. I haven't used these as much. I think the 3 lip stick product crayon type of things, I found that I'm not liking as much right now. The color of Aquarius I'm not loving right now. The Fiona Styles Hester crayon is kind of a very thick satin texture. It can be hard to put on very much at a time. And then the Bite Stick, I think the color is also just kind of a little bit not great for me. So I don't know, the other 2 products are somewhat darker, so I think these are ones that will be best used up in the fall and winter time. I will go ahead and show you guys the close-up on my lines, and I guess next month my goal is maybe just to use up this little ColourPop Lippy To Go in Bound and Cami. I think the NARS lip pencil, I could probably maybe even up my usage a lot, and maybe get it to down into the letters. It's pretty close to where it says NARS on the pencil. So if I could get it down into those letters, theoretically this bottom part is all just plastic, and once I've gone down too far, like I won't be able to easily sharpen the pencil and keep on using it. So at some point it'll hit its end usage. Hopefully I can get there soon. So on here, this is my most recent line for Mac Nice and Spicy right there. Then I went ahead and marked the Tom Ford lipstick right there. And this is the line for the NARS lipstick. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully next month I'll have a better update and get something kicked out. I know I've used some things up, but I believe only lip gloss. So maybe one lippy to go. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll update you guys next time. Bye.